As the Advanced Knife Bro, I get lots of requests for videos, and perhaps one of the most topical to my current content and most requested has been a thorough test of magic erasers. Now, to some of you, it may sound like a complete lie, but to my most devoted subscribers, they might be thinking a few things. Oh, yeah, I did ask him for that. Others might say, oh, if he's lying, he probably has a good reason. And another subset are just happy it's pissing some people off. And to all the new subscribers, welcome to the channel. It's mainly about bladed instruments and pee-pee jokes. And sometimes I cover other things like speaking truth to the household cleaner industrial complex, also known as a complete waste of your time. For work, I have these white, three-sided wooden things at about 2.81 square feet each. Don't worry what they're for, just know that I need to clean all the black marks off or everyone dies. Help! Magic erasers are great for cleaning marks off walls, but not making videos about. I'm trying 3 types here: regular, original magic eraser, 2 times the power of itself apparently, 4 times magic eraser, and some Walmart great value garbage. Now, I'm not a math guy, but shouldn't the 4 times just be 2 times? Can the original be 2 times? Is it 4 times the 2 times? So is it really like 8? Seems to me like the marketing team at Procter & Gamble is capable of some real advanced math. So the question I'm going to answer is, how many white things can I clean with each eraser? Is it worth it buying the extra strength? Who cares, you might ask, which is an excellent question. So basically I'm going to use each of these until they're completely trash. I fold them over, and whenever they're fragments and crap, then I get rid of them. So let's see how they do after one of these white covers each. And then afterwards, after a couple of drinks, we'll look at how many sponges cleaned how many of these things. Because they all have different amounts of scratches, I don't hold the sponge the same way every time, and it'll give a better idea if you can clean more covers with the 4 times. Fondling each in the hand, the 4 times feels tougher. Can't say if it's full 4 times on hand feel alone though. It's also thinner than the other 2. The 2 times in the Walmart feel about the same. To use, wet the eraser, then wring out all the excess. If you're cleaning the walls in the bathroom, the toilet also works great. First, we'll do the 2 times. We'll speed up the footage, look, and then see what the sponge looks like. It looks great. There's still quite a bit left, at least enough for another cover. Now let's look at the 4 times Mr. Clean and speed up the footage. This one held up significantly better. It feels stronger overall, which is good because companies would never lie about the cleaning power of one of their products, right? What incentive would they have for that? There is about a 36-cent difference between the 2 Mr. Clean sponges per sponge, at least at the prices I bought them at. And how about let's do the Walmart one now. This one holds up about as well as the standard Mr. Clean. I have used these quite a bit in the past, and I find I get about 2 white wooden things out of these. Mind you, these are heavily marked up, and that's a little over 5.5 square feet total. This is what we might call extreme use in professional product testing videos like this one. Okay, let's sum it up. The 4 times sponges are better than the others, and as I type that, I'm having a moment of self-awareness. I'm doing a video about a household cleaning product. The Walmart sponges have 2 cover per average, or 5.62 feet, of heavily soiled white walls of cleaning power. The Mr. Clean standard sponge has nearly exactly the same. 2 sponge per white thing, or 5.62 square feet if you have a terrible memory. The Mr. Clean 4 times sponge gives me 3.6 white things, or 10.30 square feet of cleaning power. Remember, not all walls will be soiled exactly the same way, and Procter & Gamble may not have paid you as much as they paid me to arrive at this conclusion. Okay, that's a lie. I was given no direction other than my own to create this video, which actually makes it sound even worse. If you like this sort of review or video, subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, comment. Thanks for watching.